Check out this GMC 2017 Savana cargo van. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: AM/FM stereo, power door locks, power steering, power windows, traction control, rear-wheel drive, trip computer, intermittent wipers and tire pressure monitoring system. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.